I have here a folding TV tray table with a cup holder and a hidden phone holder as well. It's collapsible, super easy to use, and very convenient for your house. So it's super nice. You can see the legs right here are nice and small, so it's perfect to slide directly underneath a couch. You can see it goes right up to the couch, so when you're using it, you can just pull it directly up to you and use it exactly how you need. So you can see it's perfect for like doing things on your computer or laptop right on this table. I love the convenient cup that you can drink from whenever you need. Has your phone easy access. If you don't want to use this, you can just fold it in and it's out of the way. If you do want to use it, it's easy to push out and use it for your phone. So this is going to be perfect for anyone that needs somewhere to do something extra on a couch that's more comfortable and easy access for your house. So this is perfect to have snacks on or to eat with while you're like watching TV or talking with your family while you're sitting on the couch where you're really comfortable. You have everything you need at easy access with the water and the phone once again. So super nice and very easy to use. So I'm next to my son's bed here. This is perfect next to put to any bed. You can see, you can slide it directly under, just like the couch, and it fits perfectly right up against it. So it can be nice and snug up against the bed. So this is also very convenient in a bedroom here. It slides right next to the bed. You can sit on the edge of the bed with your feet underneath it. Super easy to use it. Or it's very convenient as well. You can lean up against your bed like this. You can be laying in bed and still have access to everything you need with your computer if you need, with your water, your phone. You have everything you need. It's perfect for like a kid's room, a bedroom, of any sorts in your house. You can put things on here that you need to get to, easy access from your bed. So this folding TV tray table is super convenient, really easy to use. It's nice that you can pull it straight underneath the couch or a bed or wherever you want next to your little table. It's super convenient as well. It's super easy to store. So when you're done using it, you can put it away. Super nice and easy. Just take it, fold the legs down just like this, and then take it and slide it directly under your sofa right here, just like that. And then when you need to use it again, you just pull it out and it's ready to go.